Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel or welcome to the channel. If it's your first time, appreciate you being here. So, today is a windy day here in Central Texas. It is chilly. I know it's not cold. It feels kind of cold because we've been in the high 70s and up into the 80s the last couple of weeks. It's been pretty nice. Got some golf in, and just been enjoying the weather. And now it turned off a little cool, and I'm trying not to be a whiner. So I know you guys are cold. We got people all over the place. We got people from Ontario and Colorado and Montana and Iowa, Rhode Island, Utah, Missouri, New Mexico, Virginia, Pennsylvania, and northern Georgia. And you guys, it's cold. I know you're cold where you're at. It's not cold here. I'm just whining. So I grew up in Colorado and northwest New Mexico. I lived there the majority of my life in those areas. So I know what cold is, and it's not cold here, but I don't like it. We had a live stream last night, and I told you that I was going to show you the tomatoes and the progress, the ones that we put in the boxes. A couple weeks ago, I picked, what day was it? I think it was December 29th that we picked everything out of the garden. And then about half of those tomatoes were ripe and ready to be processed, and the other half were green. And we put in these boxes that I got from Todd, that he gets his albums in from Coletco. And they have been in there. They've been in there since then. I peeked a couple times into them just to look, see how they're doing. They're doing okay. So I want to show you those. And also, I did on the 3rd. I put a video up where I processed the ripe tomatoes through the food mill, and so I think I actually did the food mill stuff on the 2nd, and I harvested some seeds. So those have fermented out. Hopefully I didn't leave them in there too long. I don't think I did, but we'll find out. So I'm going to turn around here in just a second. I'm going to show you the tomatoes and their progress, and I think I have some that are ready to use. And then I'm going to, I'll show you the seeds. I'm going to dump those out into a screen and take them over here and rinse them out. So we'll talk about that for a second. Let me turn this around and show you the tomatoes. Okay, so I put the tomatoes in 3 boxes, and I have the 2 shallow boxes and the deeper box for the bigger ones. So we'll just open these up and look in them. So look, they're coming along good. So I have a lot of these that are pretty close to being ready to use. So we can pull these out, some of these out, and then I'll probably consolidate the 2 other boxes with the greens. Some of these greens that are green are still really green, and some of them are coming along. So that's one box looking good. The next box is so this box is a lot of the same thing. We've got, this one's ready to come out and go, you can tell. We got a lot that are ready to come out and be used, or be used pretty quick, and a lot of them that are still really green. So we'll get some of those pulled out. I'll pull them out as I use them. I want to leave them in there because the riper ones are still producing the good gas that helps them ripen out. And then look, so the big ones are, they're awesome. They are ready. So we need to start using some of these in our salads and gift a few of them to our friends so none of them go to waste. So that's the tomatoes. Those are looking good. I need to get some of those to Todd, and we'll get some cut up and used. And now the seeds. So the seeds have fermented out good. I can't turn them enough to where you can see the seeds inside there, but I'm going to dump those into the screen right here. I'll take them over there to the faucet and rinse those out good, and then we'll put those out on a dry paper towel and let them start drying out. So yeah, I've got the seeds rinsed off. I will take them in. I might rinse them a little bit more into the warm water, and then put them out on a paper towel and let them start drying out. Okay, so once I get the seeds dried out, I will plant a few of them to validate and make sure that they're good seeds and that they're going to grow in the springtime. I'll probably harvest a few more as I'm using these tomatoes so that I'll have a few more to give away, but I should have plenty. So anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. Hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. You can do that right here. I always appreciate you a lot, and I appreciate you coming to spend a little bit of time with me and watching an old dude's videos. I'll see you on the next one. See ya.